What about you? You're not into the internet?
No, she's
not
on
an
Facebook.
Great, but you must be on Orkut.
No.
Okay, cool. See, now be more like Ulfa. Get out there and chase your dream at a young age of 17 and don't be on Facebook and Orkut and all those things. Now we're going to go check out a track called Secret by Monica Dongre and Randolph Correa, aka Shire and Funk. Do enjoy this. You're watching Upbeat in this Christmas season on Prudent Media. Don't go anywhere.
I'll tell you a secret. I took a bad hit. You left me reeling, and now I've got to admit I did it. Please call me, believe me. There's no evil in me. Though based on my action, your cause or reaction will kill me. Cause I feel for you and for him too. I feel for you and for him too. And secret, keep it, let it go, and it will haunt you for sure. And regret, leave it. No use in trying. What's done is done, and since gone, it's just how I feel. It's just how I feel. I know I am wicked. We may be finished. After all I've done, I know I deserve it. First, call me, believe me. There's no evil in me. Though based on my action, your cause or reaction will kill me. But I feel for you and for him too. I feel for you and for him too. And secret, keep it, let it go, and it will haunt you for sure. And regret, leave it. No use in trying. What's done is done, and since gone, it's just how I feel. It's just how I feel. It's just how I feel.
So Shire and Funk, they're a band from Bombay, or I might say Mumbai, a group from Mumbai who together make some great tracks. Down for Bacardi Blast some days back here in Goa, and they did perform pretty well. Blew everybody's minds off. Whoever did go for Bacardi Blast, do tell us how it was. I did not go for Bacardi Blast. Not because of anything else, but because I was reading news. So I couldn't go for Bacardi Blast. But that's not a reason. I really would have wanted to go, but then the company becomes a problem. So you need to have a nice big group to go for such things and all that. And well, moving on, Jason was supposed to go for that as well from Prudent, but then Jason had a cold. So then that's how the plan got cancelled. But enough of plans getting cancelled. Let's talk about plans that are being made, and let's get back now to Ulfa and Tahura and talk to them before we go to the last track of the day. Now, may I sit here?
Yes. Of course.
They won't feel bad, right?
No.
Sure, right? After all, you all are the first girl guest that I've had on Upbeat, and many people's questions have been answered. I'm going to say it again because many people were raising some doubts. Those doubts have all been cleared today. And to have pretty girls like y'all is a pleasure. To have young talent like y'all is a pleasure on Upbeat. Yeah, and it's something that we want to do through Upbeat. We want to promote young talent. We want to showcase young talent. And when we see youngsters like y'all on TV, when the entire state will see youngsters like y'all on TV, you know, it will definitely drive them to go and get their dreams. Now, what does the future hold for you, Ulfa? Do you want to become a full-time singer? Do you want to become like Shreya Ghoshal?
No, singing is my hobby. I would like to continue.
Okay.
Yeah, but I've taken science, so I want to do something. Science.
Like your sister? Something on the MBBS lines or the dentistry lines?
Sort of.
I'm already brainwashing her into coming to the same field.
Okay, because even
Quite
I was
successfully.
quite successfully. Okay, so then you guys could have a, you know, like
Collaboration.
Brilliant. See the music lingo in the you know profession, that's dentistry, that's medicine, which is quite great. I mean, fusing music, and then they will be. Tell me something I just struck my head. When you don't have a patient, okay, say you have like 30 minutes for your next patient come, you're writing a poem, aren't you?
Yeah.
You are.
I am.
That's so
really
cool.
Even in college, when there were patients lined up, I actually sat and wrote a poem.
Wow.
And it just came.
And then they were waiting to get their teeth filled, and you were writing a poem.
Of course not.
Yes,
I
see?
agree.
Of course not.
Honest confessions, and it's all going to go on air. Now, there is something that, you know, yeah, even when I was in science, actually, I was pursuing science first in 11th standard. And then I cleared that and I went to 12th arts.
Okay.
So whenever chemistry used to be going on, I hated chemistry. Whenever chemistry used to be going on, I should be writing poems.
You were.
Yeah, and when
See, it just comes. You don't need time.
You don't need time.
Even
right.
when you have a lot of time, it's not important that poetry comes at that time.
But then I used to do that because I used to be bored of science. But then you're not bored of dentistry.
No, I'm not.
You know what my mom tells me what's the meaning of BDS?
What?
Bati's Daat Ka Satyanas.
Oh my god.
Is it that the way you look at it?
No, you're screwing my entire profession.
No, I'm not. I'm not. Because teeth is something that we require. See, I require teeth to smile at all times, and just think how we would look without teeth. Yeah, come on.
You mentioned you had got your braces.
Yeah.
Then.
And without braces, then no, but I didn't have them because my teeth were out. I had them because my teeth were apart. So I need to get them.
It's quite a jewelry.
It's quite a jewelry, yeah. And you know
She
these
has.
rappers and all today, they have all bling bling on that. They have diamonds on that. Some rappers I've even known they even put braces on their dogs.
Oh my god.
Seriously. And then they roam around with them. I'm talking about guys. Guy rappers roaming around with the Chihuahua kind of a thing. You know? It's not only Paris Hilton anymore. So great stuff. I mean, it's nice to know. And what about you, Tawar? Are you going to pursue anything or just keep it as your hobby and then as and when you can, you know, go for it?
Simultaneously, because there's a lot of work that is coming my way, yeah. Because besides Amul, there are 2-3 people who have offered.
Okay.
But let's see. Because right now I'm not getting much time. Because I come back very late to work whole day in the clinic. So let's see.
Great, yeah.
It's fun, but to have a hobby besides your work.
It's like what Kushwant Singh said, and I'll always quote this on Upbeat or anywhere I go. You know, if you make money out of your passion, if you make your passion your profession, it's literally like highway robbery. You're getting paid for something you love to do.
You love
I mean,
to
you know,
do.
it's like somebody's
That's
giving you a paycheck and you're like, yeah, I love to do this, but thanks anyway. Something like that, you know. So great stuff. And but what would you do if you get a chance? You know, you have to choose one of the two. If I give you Sophie's choice, you have to choose one of the two: dentistry or writing full time. Like you become a Gulzar or something. Then what would you do? You get a chance to become like that.
I don't
Javed
think-
Akhtar kind of a thing.
Let's see. When that situation comes, I'll decide.
She's playing in the celebrity way. Yeah, she's playing in the celebrity way.
I'm feeling quite like a celebrity here today.
Of course you are. I mean, you're going to become, and you're going to be checking out her Wikipedia page soon. I mean, that's going to be really cool. Once you have your own Wikipedia page, I'm going to make one for myself too. I'm going to say, hey, I have a Wikipedia page. How great. I'm going to check it out and all like that. But anyway, in all seriousness, we'll be heading into our last track of the day, and it's by Merlin. It's called Amantran. It is another Blue Frog track. Thanks to Bobby John, by the way, for these tracks. He's helped us out and he's contacted Blue Frog, you know, the record label from Mumbai. And they have some really, really talented musicians, singers, performers on this. And the music videos they made are phenomenal. We've shown you a couple of them in the past. Now we're showing you some more today. So we're going to be checking out Merlin's Amantran, a perfectly what could I say? You can't say it's a symphony, but it's an amazing instrumental track. It's an amazing track, and Merlin actually plays the keyboards in that, the piano in that, and she's also a keyboardist. She's a very good musician. She's a very renowned musician, and she's also a upcomer. Like voila! So presenting the last track of the day of Upbeat for you on Prudent Media in this Christmas season. Don't go anywhere. I know it's cold outside, so stay home and watch Upbeat. Don't go anywhere. You're with me, Nikhil Pereira, on Prudent Media. yes, many people have told me that Merlin's track Amantran has got that perfect beat to it. It's got a perfect tone to it, and it's got a nice melody, nice rhythm. In general, people who love music tend to like instrumental songs as well. So that was Amantran for you, and that was Merlin for you. And thanks a lot to Bobby John from Vasco, who's helped us getting these videos. So I'll have to bid farewell to you over here, goodbye to you over here. But oh, so sad. Upbeat is coming to an end. Anyway, but only to see you rather on the bigger stage, and only to see you writing more songs, or rather hearing more songs from you.
Yes,
and
off stage.
The next, yeah, off stage. But then you could even try coming on screen as well. Ever thought about that?
Let's do something to work on that.
Let's do something to work on it. I like the spirit. I'm not like, no, I don't think I have got the thing. No, let's think about that. That's a nice attitude. I like these girls. They've got a lot of firepower in them, but they don't look like, they say big things come in small packages. Many people say that to you.
Yes.
Is it offensive?
It's nice. No?
No, it's not offensive, right? So I'm going to say to you, big things come in small packages, and you're a great example of that. We wish you all the best. And like we had Amul Maikar and Leo last week here on Upbeat, and we wish them all the best to see them doing some more albums. Amul himself says he's going to make something new, so we'll keep a track of that. We'll be following his career closely, and we'll be following these two beautiful girls' careers closely, right?
Yeah.
So, oh my God, look at the ishares that she's giving me. I wish the camera could have captured that, but still, anyway, we'll be catching you all next week on Upbeat. It's going to be a new year, so we're going to be catching something new on Upbeat. Or is it going to be something old only? That's for you to see. So you have to watch Upbeat next week, same time, same place here on Prudent Media. Stick around for the future programming that we have. It was a pleasure having you with us.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Same
thank
here.
you.
Thank you. Nikhil Pereira says goodbye to all of you all.